Welcome to SOLEA Palm, one of the most kid-friendly resorts here in the province of Cebu. In this review, you'll learn why it's the perfect resort for kids and toddlers, as the resort is packed with kid-friendly amenities that both parents and their little ones can enjoy. Let's get started! SOLEA Palm is one of the three SOLEA resorts located in the SOLEA complex, situated in Cordova, Cebu. It's about a 30 minutes drive from the Mactan Cebu International Airport, and just beside SOLEA Mactan Resort and SOLEA Seaview Resort. One of the main features of the SOLEA resorts are its family-friendly amenities like its Aqua Park and its huge inflatable water park, not to mention its several pools scattered across the resort. Average room prices starts around 3,500 pesos and go all the way up to 5,500 pesos. We stayed for 2 nights for our toddler's second birthday, this 2025, for only 11,500 pesos via a promo through Klook, which includes a weekday ticket for the Cebu Oceanpark, one of the biggest oceanarium in the country and located in Cebu City, which we will cover later. A quick room tour of the SOLEA Palm City View leisure room that we booked. The rooms are kinda average in terms of size and amenities. We had 2 double beds, a standard LCD TV, a nice view of the city, and somewhat above average internet. The bathroom is clean, but one complaint that I have, since this is our second time in SOLEA, is that the water pressure is kinda spotty and inconsistent. And one of my biggest nitpick is their bidet in the toilet. It's just short. I would give their rooms a B- score. It's okay, but we've been to better rooms from other hotels in the same price range. For me, it's not a big deal as you'll be spending most of your time anyways in their amazing facilities and amenities. Probably one of the best kid-friendly water parks here in Cebu, the resort boasts several kid-friendly facilities, and the highlight of SOLEA resorts is the Aqua Park, located in the middle of the resort. Toddlers and even adults will surely enjoy this with its 3 water slides and wide but shallow pool. Our 2-year-old toddler loves playing in the Aqua Park, and it's super safe for smaller kids as there are several lifeguards on standby. The stairs and the platform are well built. It's not slippery even when it's very wet, and the slides are safe for kids. Check out this footage as kids go play around by themselves. There's a smaller version of the Aqua Park, which is the Aqua Play, located near the Happy Pebbles Club, which we will cover in a bit. The Aqua Play is perfect for small kids and toddlers as the slides are smaller and more toddler-friendly, so they can still enjoy playing without you worrying too much about their safety. Now let's move on to my Nyanya's favorite, the Happy Pebbles Club. This huge indoor playground for kids is located next to the Aqua Play and offers several activities for your kids, like a slide and a ball pit, a role play area, and even a video game console. Adults can have fun as well, as there's a small arcade area and a billiard and ping pong table outside. Both Aqua Park and Aqua Play is free for hotel guests, but the Happy Pebbles Club and the Inflatable Water Park has a fee. But for hotel guests, you get a one-time free entrance to both, as the hotel gives you a free ticket voucher during your check-in. It also includes a free one-time use ticket for a bike rental and a kayak. The Happy Pebbles Club Day Pass is 350 pesos, and for me, it's all worth it. Lastly, let's check out their inflatable water park. It's aimed for adults, but kids and teens can enjoy it as well. The water is shallow, so no worries if you lose your balance in the inflatable obstacle course. Plus, lifeguards are on standby and a life vest is required for everyone, so parents don't need to worry about their kids. Before we forget to cover it, the SOLEA resorts have all access to a wide and clean beach. Though during both our stays here, almost everyone were having fun at the Aqua Park and Inflatable Water Park. Overall, I'm giving SOLEA Resorts amazing water park facilities and beach area an A+. It's definitely one of the best here in Cebu. And while it's aimed for kids, even adults can enjoy the amazing facilities and amenities they offer here in the SOLEA Resort Complex. Definitely a must-try. SOLEA Palm shares the same restaurant as with its sister hotels. Earth All-Day Dining Restaurant located on the first floor of the SOLEA Mactan building. It offers delicious meals ranging from 300 pesos all the way to 1,000 pesos. The food and service is amazing, and their dinner buffet is a must-try. For only 1,200 pesos per adult, their team buffet offers an amazing array of choices from local favorites, Filipino foods, to Japanese sushi, and Italian pizza and pasta. We celebrated our toddler's second birthday during their Asian-themed buffet, and they even gave us a free slice of cake as well as singing a birthday song to our daughter. Another noteworthy mention is their amazing spa service at Nouveau Spa, located at the entrance of the SOLEA Resort Complex. While the prices are a bit on the higher side, SOLEA Resort's guests can avail of a discounted rate, and the spa service is definitely one of the best here in Cebu. Check out the ambience and the relaxing design of their rooms. A quick look at their gym, located at the top floor of the SOLEA Seaview Resort. While they don't have a coach on duty during our stays at SOLEA Mactan and SOLEA Palm, they do have adequate selection of equipments, and you get a nice view while you work out. Overall, I'm giving their food and service an A+ for their amazing buffet and awesome service at both spa and restaurant. You'll never run out of pools to swim to. SOLEA Palm has its dedicated swimming pool aside from several other kid-friendly swimming pools scattered across the resort. There's also an infinity pool near the SOLEA Mactan lobby. SOLEA Resorts also has two noteworthy bars located at the roof deck of SOLEA Mactan, the Salt and Sky Rooftop Bar. Another one is located near the beach and inflatable water park, the Sandy Point Beach Bar. You can sit back and relax as you enjoy your favorite drinks at the beachside or near the water park. As mentioned earlier, we got 2 weekday tickets for the Cebu Oceanpark from the Klook promo, and while it's in Cebu City, SOLEA offers a free ride from the hotel going to SM Seaside Mall, and it's about a 40-minute scenic ride via the CC Lex, which is the current longest bridge in the Philippines. So that's another sight worth doing if you haven't seen the CC Lex Bridge. On arrival at SM Seaside, you can just walk to the Cebu Oceanpark. It's definitely worth a trip, especially if you have kids along with you. I will link to the full review of the Cebu Oceanpark in the description once I finish making my full review video. It may be aimed for kids, but the whole family will surely enjoy SOLEA Palm and its amazing facilities and amenities. Overall, I highly recommend SOLEA Palm for families looking for an amazing stay here in Mactan, Cebu. I'm sure your little ones will have a great time here at SOLEA, and we're already looking forward to our third stay here at Nyanya's favorite resort in Cebu. If this video has helped you with your future travel plans, please like and subscribe for more amazing travel videos. Thanks for watching and see you at your next vacation in the beautiful island of Mactan, Cebu.